ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Allie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little winter lookbook, outfit ideas that I've actually been wearing for the month of December. These are perfect outfit ideas for Christmas, New Year's, every single day. If you have that nothing to wear feeling. Mid-December, I'm heading to Toronto for the very first time. I'm meeting my boyfriend's family and I'm really excited to be there. So let me know if you guys want to do a meetup. Be sure to follow me on Instagram just to let me know like where you're from, what area you want to do the meetup, because I would love to meet some of my Canadian babes. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I'm giving away a Polaroid camera just like this, just because I love giving back to you guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why
it will always be Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
I can't believe Halloween. I can't believe Christmas is just around the corner, so I made you guys a little last-minute holiday gift guide. It will be linked down below on my blog, fashionbyallie.com. I talk about my favorite camera gear, things I use to shoot mobile photography with, my favorite hair tools, makeup, gifts under $30, and so much more. So be sure to go check out that blog post. It's a great resource for you guys. So I wanted to do something a little different and recap you on what I've been up to and give you guys a little life update. So I want to incorporate more vlogs onto this channel because I feel like I want to share more of my life with you guys. I've been really excited to share more events and share more on my YouTube stories. This year has been incredible. We've experienced so much growth in my YouTube community. I am just so blessed and so grateful to have each and every single one of you. You guys constantly inspire me every single day to work harder, to be more creative, and to share content that really just pushes the boundaries. So I hope that you guys stick around. If you've been watching me for a while, I truly appreciate your love and support. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all having a lovely holiday season, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!